And Bird, you gone and went and made the last video all messed up. Because you're twerking. They don't want to hear that. They want to see me moonwalk. Now, not moonwalk like or I mean moonwalk on the spot. So you be quiet while I go for a walk. You want to be quiet? I'm going to take that as a yeah. Yeah, you back in treats in that little ball. Alright. Here we go. Oh, my socks. Walking's really tiresome. Feet. Oh, I'm getting so tired. Shut up. I'm walking here. Shut up. No one wants to get anything out of you. They didn't click on this. They didn't click on anything because it's on my iPod. But you know, it's very rude that you interrupted me while I'm walking. Do I interrupt you? No, do I Hey, I'm trying to... Ooh, you birdie. You're gonna die, bird. You're gonna die. No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. You know what? If I can't walk in peace, I'm not gonna walk at all. In the video, stop it. Oh, moonwalk to the camera. Moonwalk to the iPod. Moonwalk to the iPod. Bird, you couldn't be quiet while I did this? Video end.